What's up guys? So this is my first video. I'm going to go through everything in pure and stats and mechanics, both year 1 and year 2. So this is the first video, Index Laws 1.1. I'm going to go through all of the laws that you need to know. This is also applicable for GCSE maths. So we have the first one, a to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n. So that essentially means that if you multiply so say 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 2, the answer will be 2 to the 3 plus 2. So if you've got the same base and you times them together, then you add the powers. However, if you divide them, so a to the n divided by a to the n, then you do m minus n. So 2 to the 3 divided by 2 to the 2 is just 2 to the 3 minus 2, which is 1. And we also have here a to the m, all to the power of n is a to the m to the a to the mn. So you multiply them if it's in a bracket, and then all to the power of something else. Then you multiply m and n. And lastly, we distribute. If we have ab to the power of n, we distribute the n to the powers of both of these. So it basically means that both a and b will be to the power of n. So I've got a couple of questions here. We can go through them here. So we have 2x to the 3 times 3x squared. So a good way to do this firstly is look at these whole numbers. We can multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, and we have the same same base here, x and x. So it means that when we multiply them, we add the powers. So 3 plus 2 will give us 6x to the 5. And that will be our final answer. And O, we have 7a to the 4 times 3a to the 4 all squared. Now for this one, we'll have to use this property here. ab to the n equals a to the n, b to the n. So if we apply it here, a would be 3 and b would be a to the 4. So it would be 3 squared a to the 4. And remember this rule here. If it's to the power, if you have a to the m, all to the power of n, it's a to the m to the a to the mn. So it will be a to the 8. So we can write this as 7a to the 4 times 9a to the 8. This is like this question up here. Same practice. We multiply the whole numbers of 7 times 9, 63. And then we have a to the 4. I know that looks 9, sorry, it's 4 here. A to the 4 times a to the 8, the same same base, sorry. So we can multiply these together, add the powers, so we get 63, a to the 12 as our final answer. There we go. The last question I have here is using the division rule here. A to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n. So we have 21a to the 3 b to the 7 divided by 7a b to the 4. So basically we can start with the whole numbers as we did with the other two questions. So 21 divided by 7, that is just 3. And then we have a to the 3 divided by a. So if we go back here, it says a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n. So we have the same base, we minus the powers. So a to the 3 divided by a. Now a on its own is just a to the 1, right? So we are just going to minus the 3 and 1 to get a squared here. And we can do them bit by bit, by the way. We're allowed to just do it bit by bit. So if you're a bit confused as to why we're allowed to do it, it's just because if you imagine it's just 21 times a to the 3 times b to the 7, all divided by 7 times a to the b to the 4. So it means that we can, as we go along, we can deal with the things methodically. And then b to the 7 divided by b to the 4, yet again we use this principle, a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the n minus n. So b to the 7 divided by b to the 4 is just b to the 7 minus 4. So we get b to the 3. And that is our final answer. So guys, that is Index Laws 1.1. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.